Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Secretary ka jila uba DP Wahlang ulay thu baha Khappud hadu menta kamdan kanu ka Jingjia bat nakaliang ki Shipai BSF kila Peit Ngor baha. Shu lay thu ru ba ka sarkar kanyo iki kaipot halor ka long kaman ha Khappud bat hadu menta kampat don kanu ka jingwan rung tu jong ki briu laj no tang ka tu ka Jingjia ba wan her ka drone ha kini ki binai ki bala dep.
In the border areas?
No, the border areas, we have not had any problems in the last, in fact, a couple of months, 2-3 months. We have not received any adverse reports at all from the border. And we are hoping that it will continue. The BSF is keeping a very strong vigil along the border, along with the help of the local Meghalaya police. And we are keeping a tab on what is going on. We receive intelligence reports once in a while about what is happening across the border. Anything which is likely to impact the state, and information is shared with the BSF.
Are there reports about illegal immigration genuine?
No, we don't have any reports of any illegal immigration at all from Bangladesh.
So,
I don't have any specific information about this, except that a drone was detected, but the specific technical evaluation of what was the drone doing and what is the strengths and what of the drone, what data it was trying to capture, what data it was trying to analyze, we don't have that information at all with us.
From the intelligence of these drones?
No, we have not got any input so far. Maybe they're analyzing the information, and they will share when the clarity comes.
And this drone?
No, it's not visible at all now. It was an off event actually.